Now, class, today we are going to learn about the mechanics of evolution.
All right, this is not working. This calls for the collective teaching power of Nikki, Ben, Paul, team.
Here we have two species. One has many offspring and the other has few offspring. The species brown has more offspring, therefore has a greater potential to increase as they are less likely to die out when a predator like the clawhand comes around. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. As you can see, when the predator kills the same amount of offspring, brown has many more left, therefore a greater chance to reproduce, unlike green.
Gather around, students, and take a look. Here we see different colored animals of the same species. Both have survived for many years, but due to a genetic mutation that occurred in a family, some of these animals are now poisonous. Because of the hazard that poses to predators, they have learned to stay away from the brightly colored animals. They know if they consume them that they may die. As a result, the brightly colored prey is no longer hunted and have been able to reproduce and survive much better than the dull-colored counterparts.
All right, kids, let's discuss the competition for resources. Sometimes nature likes to throw a curveball, and it's rather difficult to get to all the resources an animal would need to survive, in a mountain range, for example. Now, let's say one group of these animals has the ability to fly. The other group does not. The flying animals can easily fly over mountains to gather resources they need to survive, while the non-flying animals have to struggle to climb the mountains and relocate to get to their resources. Because of this, the flying animals have a much easier time surviving in their environment and are better suited to compete for resources against their land-bound competitor.
The last mechanism of evolution that we are going to discuss is the proliferation of organisms. This means that those species whose offspring are better able to evade predators or the stresses of their environment will be able to survive and reproduce. To visualize this, we have in front of us a blue environment, where both blue and orange species live. As you can see, it is easy to pick out the orange species in this environment, and they are quickly eaten. The blue continue to reproduce and become the dominant species in this environment. Does everyone understand the mechanisms of evolution?